Hi everyone, and welcome to High Valley Couponer. So I am here with August couponing month in review, and you see that right, worst month of the year. It was in regards to my spending. I'm trying to remember. Okay, I got a lot of products here. I got 17, is it 17? 18 things of laundry detergent. You know, I got 7 things of finish tabs. I got 4 big canisters of Lysol wipes. I had to buy some stuff that I didn't even, we'll get to that in a minute, that didn't even have a deal. So I'm trying to remember, okay, I got a lot of expensive things here, so this is a good price, but I don't know. Just seeing that I spend this much makes my heart sink. It was a very big month of stocking up on products. So let's get into it. I might as well just start showing you guys what I did, and you can be the judge of what you think. So here was my first haul of the year, or of the month. I was finishing up a really big bonus, and here's my first mistake. You see the little can of Renews It over there? That I was all excited, I was all gung-ho to get. I was like, yes, I'm going to get this Renews It at Family Dollar. It was on clearance for $4. I made a special trip, literally, into Family Dollar to get that can of Renews It. Because there was a mail-in rebate that would make it free, and then I also had like $2.50 from Ibotta. So I was like, wow, I got a huge moneymaker here. I lost the receipt and couldn't mail that in. That was a literal cost of $4. That ruined me right there. That ruined me, but... I got a lot of good deals. It was $4.32. That's without that's with messing up the rebate, so it's okay. I guess $4.32. There's a lot of products there, so I can't complain. Over here was the really bad haul of the month. So first up, my mom was just like, "We need vitamins. We need multivitamins." Multivitamins have always been a part of my couponing budget. I always include them because they're always free or really, really cheap. Well, a deal never came around on them. And so I'm going to keep it real with you guys. Multivitamins are an item I have in my couponing budget. I distinguish budgets. I have grocery spending and couponing spending. Couponing spending is this Ibotta stuff, my cleaning supplies, my over-the-counter pain reliever type medicines, multivitamins. Basically anything I know, okay, I can get a deal on this, that goes in my couponing budget. And I've recently added toilet paper because it seems like I used to always get toilet paper at Sam's Club, but now it's cheaper at couponing, so I've been doing that. But then there's other things like my grocery budget. I don't include certain products like trash bags. I never can coupon for trash bags. Or there's other things. I just can't think of them off the top of my head. So I distinguish what I put in here and what I don't. But vitamins are an item I have in my couponing budget, so I had to pay full price, so we're going to just include it in there. We're going to keep it real. Alright, and then let me just go over this haul. So, you guys never saw this one, actually. I don't know why. It was a Weekend Warrior. I never posted it, but I got those Philly Swirl things. I got the Shopkick deals. That Dove body wash is free. I did the all detergent again. That gave me a bonus, so I did it twice. The mug treats. That was a fun deal. I missed that. And then Swab lotion was just a 75 cents after coupons. Oh, I love the Dr. Pregers. Those were all free because I had mailer coupons and tear pads or something. They weren't all free. One of them was 49 cents or something, but oh, that was a deal right there. The Tide, yes, I've been doing the Tide all month. The Finish, I got 2 finishes. Those Lysol wipes down there. Well, they're not Lysol. The HomeSense wipes, those were the big canisters. They were on a clearance, half off. So I did stock up. It was $1.84 for the big canisters, which in my mind is a great price. I stocked up on those. I'm actually ran in Target and got those Smashmallow things for free. The bitten little things there. The dressing was 29 cents. And then, that Dunkin' Donuts creamer, that was 29 cents on our mega event too. So that was fun. So here I actually came back with the haul for you guys. This is the day I went out with Corey and did that video. I got all those high chews right there. That was fun. The Transocean, that was huge money makers because they sent me free products coupons. My Kroger cash back for some reason worked, and I don't get why, because it's not allowed to work like that, but it did. It did work. And you know what? I forgot the Boomerang Pot Pie. That actually did give me the Kroger cash back. So this is actually $1 less. It was only 68 cents. I'll update that in my spreadsheet for my final total, but yeah, that's definitely the truth there. So, yeah, keep that in mind because it was less. That's good. That is good. So that'll help save me $1, right? They did give me the Kroger cash back on that. And it was a clearance. So I don't know why that worked. The Snackwells, I found those Peelies. That was fun. Tide again. I kept doing Tide. Lots of detergent and stuff all month. all the high chew, that was fun. And the Enlightened, they sent me free product coupons. Ibotta had rebates. I just killed it. I really did good on that haul. So this really was 68 cents after the bonus. That was good. I'm thrilled with this haul. I got all that bread, the peppercorn bread for free. Remember that? That was awesome. I got some Tide and Finish and detergents. I got 4 detergents there. Oh my gosh, I killed it. I got the Santa Cruz deal. Those were free. Remember that? That was fun. Just Shopkick stuff all over there. The Thermacare preparation agent Advil. I love it when Pfizer gives us those rebates. Those are so much awesomeness. I did a little Dollar General that day. The Rexall, the Bic, and the Gain. Those were all free at DG. Just lots of stuff here between Kroger Mega events. August literally has been a Kroger Mega event for the entire month. And that has been really an awesome benefit. I've enjoyed that. I've been able to really stock up on stuff. Here's my only moneymaker haul for the month. This was a 30-cent moneymaker. Big whoop, right? 30 cents. Who cares about a 30-cent moneymaker? But it was a moneymaker, so. I grabbed all these products during this haul. I originally had 2 of the Systema containers. That was a good deal, but I had to return one because it never reset, and I bought to reset for a bonus, and it just didn't reset. I enjoyed this one because I got all the Axe and the Dove. Fancy men's personal care products. Love that. I got some more detergent. Like, my gosh, I got detergent, I think, every single haul this month. Like, literally. But I'll take it. And I got those My Life vitamins for free over there. That was fun. And the banana rebate. That was fun. The free bananas. Here, this was a good haul. This is my St. Clairsville clearance haul that I found all that stuff on clearance. The spin brush, the Fix-It, the little nail file things. And I just got some really good stuff there. More detergent, right? I got those stupid chickpeas for free at Walmart. Those were nasty. I never even tried them. My parents both did, and they were like, these are gross. So we actually, I think, just threw them away. All the Kind bars for free, the detergent, and the plug-in things. That started with all those free plug-ins. I've enjoyed those. Okay, and then this was the haul you guys saw last night, and this is the best one of the month in my mind. $89 retail value, and this is all $388. I got 3 detergents, 2 things of toilet paper, all the feminine care products, and another Finish, and a Boomerang, and just the turkey bacon, just good stuff. I'm happy with how this one turned out. So let's talk money. Retail for all these products was $802.73. You guys want to know what it cost? $43.10. That is a fail in my mind, but I'm trying to remember. I had to buy things that weren't necessarily free, like the vitamins. We had to have them. We had to. The wipes were a stock up. You know, all that detergent, that's pretty good. I mean, it's not horrible, but it's not what I wanted. So, for next month, we literally, from May, June, and July, we're getting totally free months. We were making money every month. Let's bring that back for September. It's coming back. No more $43. I can't do that no more. My heart can't take spending this much. So it's September. We're in September, and we're going to make September a freebie month. I don't know how. Those other months, I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with me. I feel like I've been slacking. But I was not going to pass up those cheap wipes. We had to have the vitamins. I don't know how I used to get vitamins so cheap. Maybe it's time to think about, I don't know. I got to figure it all out. But stick with me. I'm going to have a haul today. And I really am going to try to make it all free because I just want to. Maybe I should try CVS again. I don't know. But CVS, I feel like, drained me too. I want to figure something out because I don't want to pass up deals or anything like that. But I don't want to spend $43. But this month, I think it's okay because I did get a lot of good products. But if you know me, I just don't like doing that. I feel like I failed. But let me know in the comments. Do you think this is a fail? Would you pay $43 for all this stuff? Do you think it was a good price for all this? You know, let me know. I'm always open to hearing what you guys have to say. So, yeah, that's all I have for now. Come back later today for an awesome Ibotta haul. Tuesday is always my haul days. And, yeah, you don't want to pass it up. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching.